loved me with all of his heart. He passed away before even asking for marriage. I had a lover who destroyed my life with them knowing it. Oh, I had a lover who took my heart and threw it in the drain intentionally. I have to move on. I have to go on. I have to love again and be loved. But where do I start to trust? I had to move on. I have to go on. I have to love again and be loved. But where do I start to trust? Ooh. Oh. I had a friend whom I trusted with all of my heart, but looked down on me. I have a father who loves me dearly in heaven that I wish I can bring back to life. I'm so broken into pieces that I can't give other people a chance to do right by my side. Ooh, I have to move on. I have to go on. I have to love again and be loved. But where do I start to trust? I have to move on. I have to go on.